Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video we write Java code solution for question 3 of ICSE 2025 Computer Applications Board's paper, which is this question. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel. So I've posted so much content for ICSE people. Still the number of subscribers to my content are less than 5% of my watchers. So it is a request if you could please subscribe to this channel. Alright. So this is the question. Give a minute and give this a reading. Alright. So you have to define a class CloudStorage and it has members, it has methods, and you have to code accordingly. So I'm going to write this class CloudStorage, class CloudStorage. So it has data members, account number and space. So I'll say private int account number, right, and private int space. Okay, and you must always keep the name of the class exactly the way it is given in the question, and also the name of the data members given in the question. The type of account number is int, so we take int. The type of space is int, so we take int. And the type of bill is double, so we take private double bill. Okay. Alright, so there is no description for a constructor here, so you don't have to write a constructor because it is not a part of the question. Then we come to this SF method to input account number and storage space. So I am going to write public void accept. Okay, and I will need to import a java.util.scanner. Okay, so I will need a scanner class object to read input from the user. Okay, system.in. Okay, so prompt the user to enter the account number. Okay, so system.out.print enter account number. Okay, so I'll say account number is scanner object dot next int. Since the type of this account number is integer, so the user is expected to enter an integer for the account number. Similarly, prompt the user to enter the space. So similarly, enter space. Okay, and space is similarly scanner dot next. Okay, you have to take input for account number in space, which is what is the requirement given in this prompt method. Okay, then you have to complete this calculate method. Calculates the bill total price based on the storage space. Okay, so I'll say public void calculate. All right. So it says first 15 GB is 15 rupees per GB. Then next 15 is 13 and above 30 is 11. Okay. So the question requirement is not very clear that, for example, if the storage is 25 GB, so do you take 13 for the entire 25 GB or you take 15 for the first 15 and then 13 for the next 12? Since the question requirement says first 15 GB is 15 rupees per GB, I'm gonna split this into brackets. So the first 15 is 15 rupees per GB. Then whatever comes after 15 is 13 rupees per GB. Then after 30 it is 11 rupees per GB. Okay, if the space is less than or equal to 15, if space is less than equal to 15, price is 15 rupees per GB. Okay, else if the space is less than or equal to 30, okay, that is for the next 15. Else if space is less than equal to 30, so this is the bracket where space is greater than 15 and less than equal to 30. Else if the space is greater than 30. Okay, so price is 15 rupees per GB for first 15 and price is 13 rupees per GB for the remaining. Okay, similarly, price is 15 rupees GB for first 15, price is 13 rupees GB for the next 15. Okay, and price is 11 rupees per GB for the remaining. Okay, so this is going to be bill is equal to space into 15. Okay, this is equal to bill equal to 15 into 15 for the first 15, 13 rupees per GB for the remaining space. So the remaining part is going to be the space minus the 15 that we have already used into 13. Okay, and for the last case, bill is going to be 15 into 15 plus 15 into 13 for the next 15. Okay, plus space minus 30 into 11 for the for the remaining part. Okay, and then the final method is displays account number, storage space, and bill to be paid. So public void display, all right, else is out account number plus AC number. Then I have space, I'll say space plus, I'll add a GB as well, and I'll say bill is rupees plus the bill. All right, and it also says that you also have to write a main method to create object and invoke methods of class. Okay, so I'll write a main method public, let me just make some more space. Okay, public static void main string args. Okay, cloud storage equal to new cloud storage. Okay, then I say cloud storage dot accept to read input, cloud storage dot calculate to calculate, and cloud storage dot display. Okay, all right, running this now. So if I say 1 2 3 4 5 6, say space is 10, so bill is going to be 10 into 15 150. Okay, running again, again putting some account number, and I say space this time is 20, so 15 for the first 15, which is 225, plus 13 for the next 5, which is 65. This comes out to be 290. Okay, then again I have say another account number, and I say space is say 35. Okay, so when space is 35, we come here, this is the else part. Bill is going to be 15 into 15 225, plus 15 into 13 is going to be 195, right? 225 plus 195 will give you 420, plus space minus 35 into 55, 5 into 11 55, 420 plus 55 will give you 475. Okay, so your code is correct. So this was the code for question 3 of ICSE 2025 Computer Applications board paper. Alright, I hope you like this video and this was helpful. If there is any doubt, there is a part you do not understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments. And you can also let me know in the comments if there is a question you want to either solve or if there is a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.